Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, click on Continue in the pop-up. Then Allow. And now a gray sweater next to Allow access to manage all files. Following that, select Browse at the bottom in the middle and tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!